All right, it's the morning of the 12th. Was in there 2 mornings ago. Had a deer walk in front of me. See a silhouette. Couldn't tell what deer it was. Check my app, and sure enough, it was the deer I'm trying to shoot. About 10 minutes before shooting light, walked right in front of me about 35 yards. Not legal shooting light. So obviously he made it past me. Last night he was back in there. We're pretty jacked up this morning. He was there about 4 in the morning. There was clearly a hot doe in the area. There's 3 other bucks in there. Um, they literally hit the scrape all night, different does, different bucks, and he was in there, and he was in there for a while. So he was there 2 days ago. He was there last night. We're just gonna go in and quiet as we can. Go. My stand's 24 yards from that scrape, and just hope that they come back through. That's the plan. So we'll see how it works out. nice buck. Didn't want her the kicker off his G2. I felt bad watching it right there, but I had no choice. I couldn't shoot him. And then finally he stood up and looked at Steph, and I got one in him. The rest is history. I drove it straight through his back all the way down, and he ran. There was blood scattered all through here, so I watched it go down. There's not going to be much of a track job, but stay with us. We'll film the recovery. You got to stay on the blood. You're all right. Just keep going. Get down here further. That's a lot of blood, huh?
Blood.
Yep. Yep. All right.
Follow the blood.
All right, keep going.
All we have to do is follow the blood. You gotta get up here. The blood's just through there. So, it's in there somewhere. Oh, that. It's that.
Hey, do you guys see blood? You might want to come back this way. Look. Look down there. Keep going down there. You'll see it. It's all the way over toward that log. See all that pile of blood? Now go. No, see it?
To the right, yep.
Right there?
Nope, now follow it.
You don't see all that blood?
Yeah.
It's splattered everywhere.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, keep going.
You get a thorn in there. If I let it fall down there, it's fine.
I don't want to see blood. I'm so
Don't fall over there.
Hold on. There's the blood there. It's going down here.
I'll keep that here. Okay, so you can go to your back.
I'm going back. I'm going over here.
Lily, you're walking in it. You're walking all through it. All right, you guys are too slow. Whoever finds it first gets $5.
What?
Okay, follow it. Go. Better go.
Where'd the blood go?
Right there by that tree. All down through there, all along that tree. You don't see that on the tree?
Where did it go?
Go through that sticker bush. Find blood. Stay with it.
What is that?
What is that? I don't know.
I found it first. I found it first. I get $5. Good job, Dad.
Thanks.
Dang. I have $5 each.
All right, so my 2023 season here in Indiana is a wrap. I was lucky enough to get this deer this morning around 8:45. He came in following a doe. Shot him. He ran over beside me, stood there for a while. I could see the blood pouring out of him, just wasn't giving up. Walks in front of me and lays there for a lot longer than I'd like to admit. But I felt helpless. Like there's nothing, I mean, I could have yelled and spooked him up and then tried to shoot him again, but you know, no one wants to do that. I'm afraid he's going to run off and not find him or whatever. So I was just hoping that he would hurry up and, you know, go. And he laid over on his side, kicked his feet out, whatever. I got it all on video there, but Anyway, he got up and took another couple steps, and I was able to put one just right there, and it actually buried into his brisket and didn't even come out the bottom. And he ran off and expired within like 15 seconds. But just super happy to be able to take this deer. It's actually my second biggest deer. I rough taped him about 152 and 2/8, which is my second biggest deer, to 172 I killed in 2020. Super thankful to the landowner for letting me hunt, and my wife for being willing to give me the time to go and not complain too much, and having a job that allows me to take off. Today's my last day, and I have to go back to work tomorrow, so it all worked out and couldn't be more happy.